All right, this is a bio slide about me. Um, let's see. My name is Kendall Phillips. I'm a kinesiology major and a nutrition minor. I'm currently a senior here at Texas Tech. It's my third year here, but I took some college classes while I was in high school, so I'm getting to graduate about a year early. I'm from Big Spring, Texas, so where I took those college classes was at a junior college here called Howard. Um, and some of my interests are traveling. I like to explore. I just got back from Disney World actually, just for fun, just because I enjoy traveling with my friends and family, and then getting to watch Texas Tech sporting events. That's a lot of fun. And then after I graduate in May, I'm going to be going to Dallas to go to chiropractic school, which is a 3.5 year program, and then I'll come out as a doctor in chiropractic medicine, and we'll just see where it goes from there.